import ficus file. Oh. Okay. Now, for example, your supervisor say, please, here are some complication in your plot. Some points are mixed up with each other. For example, you can check in plot, blue and green points are mixed with each other. These are, this is a small data set. If you have a big data set, then there may be a condensed point, condensed, and you are unable to define which is red, which is blue, and or where S1, where S2, and S3. So if you have big data or dense point, you can separate uh, each species by panels, or you can simply create a panels based on your variables. So your supervisor say create a panel plot of this plot or convert this plot into panel plot. So each variable have its own plot. So for this you need to apply facet wrap, add plus sign, apply facet, select wrap, facet wrap, within bracket give inverted comma and type species because we want to group of this plot based on species, and run this message. It will show you a panel of panel plot based on species. So here are three panels in single plot. S1 have separate plot, S2 have separate, and S3 have separate plot. Please all participant done this plot, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. And type done within Zoom chat. Okay, now if you want to change its theme, for example, you want to change its BW to another theme, apply different theme, for example, apply all themes one by one, no classic, here is classic theme, change, minimal, and run and check. So here are the different visualization of the same plot by changing its theme. No, you need to perform all these plots. No, first is point, again type underscore, type a line, run, change its theme, BW. BW is best for this type of plot. So if you want to create panel plot, best option is BW, use BW theme. Yes. Now copy this plot, share in group, and again copy this plot, copy, paste here. Now replace again a line with area. Select and run. It will show you area plot. Copy this plot, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. Again, copy this plot, change area with or replace area with bar and run. It will show you an error. Must only have an X or Y static. So we need to remove X or Y axis. So I am removing here Y axis and also remove this comma. Here is this comma was extra. So here is the bar plot for uh, petal width. If you want to
Excuse me,
add
sir.
on y-axis, 1 minute please. It will show you on y-axis. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, please.
सर थोड़ा सा एरर आ रहा है ना.
Okay, share your screen.
ओके सर.
Okay, so in this way, please draw all type of plots given in this list and check uh, plots view, change its theme, and you need to change two things. First, geom and second, theme. But best option, change plot, copy and share in group. It is showing you for point plot, at least one layer must contain all facet variable species. Yes, S is small in your case. S is, yes,
स्पेसिफिक.
species. S is
ओके.
capital.
ओके सर.
Now run
नाउ आई
this.
एम रनिंग.
Yes.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Okay. Now you have 10 minutes. Please draw all these plots and share within group. Maybe some plots give you an error. If you able to solve these issue, for example, maybe say remove x-axis, maybe say remove y-axis or something other, you remove. If you get another type of error, for example, you need z-axis or another axis, or you not have still studied these type of error, ignore and move to next step. So please complete all these plots just within 10 minutes and share this within group. And our next topic is correlation. So we will start today correlation plots by again with same practice, reading, writing, editing, and error solving. So please do practice. You have a 10 minute. Within 10 minutes, complete all these plots and share within WhatsApp group. Hopefully you have done your task. Now, please all participant focus on my screen. Please all participant focus on my screen. Today we will perform another task, that is correlation. But we are not performing any correlation analysis. We are not going to perform any correlation plot. Although we draw these things, but our main focus, our main task, main objective is reading, writing, editing, editing. We will learn again these three skills and also how to resolve errors. So now your task is correlation. I want to open a mic of Muhammad Shahid Zafar Saab. Kindly open your mic.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum salam, sir. How are you?
फाइन.
Okay,
आप सुनाएं.
sir, ठीक ठाक. Sir, I have a few questions from you and you need to give answer. First question. For example, your supervisor say, please perform correlation analysis on ficus dataset. The first question, which first question should be arise in your mind? Please tell.
Correlation.
Your supervisor say, please perform correlation. A question should be arise in your mind. Please tell me this question.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Please let me know your field of study.
Food science.
Food
Uh,
science.
uh,
Food science.
Food science. Yes.
Food. Okay. Okay.
Master of
Know your supervisor say, please find pH of this juice of any fruit. How you can find its pH?
from pH meter.
Yes. Same question should be arised in your mind here. In R, you also have machines. You also have instruments. So the first question should be arise in your mind, which instrument I can use for correlation. Clear?
Okay, sir.
But when we talk in the language of R, our question should be which package will be used for correlation? Which package
Package
will be used for correlation?
correlation.
So for each and every task, first you need to find the answer of this question. For example, your supervisor say perform t-test. To perform a t-test, you need a device. So first question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used for t-test? Okay.
Okay.
Now, second question should be arise in your mind. Is this package available or not? For example, you want to use pH meter. First, you need to check pH meter is available in your lab or not. If you want to use your mobile phone or your laptop, first you need to check its availability. If it is available, then you will be able to use. If it is not available, then you are unable to use. So, second
Okay.
question should be arise in your mind. Is it available in R? So, the answer of the first question is there are many packages for correlation in R. You can use Psych or ggplot. These are two common and important packages for correlation. So you can use Psych or ggplot.
Plot.
These are two machines, these are two tools, these are two packages which you can use for correlation. No, second question, is it available in R? To check its availability, you need to come on screen number 4. So please come on screen number 4, click on packages button and search. Is it available? Type here psych, psych, psych. Yes. Is it available in my R Studio? It is available. Please all participants confirm. This package is available in your R Studio lab or not? Nasib Khan, yes. Please all participants reply me. My answer is yes. Both are not available. No. Okay. Now, if here you get two possible answer, your answer may be yes or your answer may be no. If your answer is yes, then you will turn on this machine and will do work. But if your answer is no, then you will first install this package and then you are able to perform work. So if your answer is no, first install this package. So no, your answer is no, click on install button, search here psych, here is psych, install, and also install core plot and type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants install these two packages and type done within Zoom chat. Okay. Okay, thank you. And in tomorrow class, and we will work on this package for correlation analysis. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.